All right, Year 11s, welcome to class here. So this is a question from your review. This one doesn't involve a graph, so it's not easy to look at what the domain, what the range is. Is this frozen? No, you're good. So it says the domain of the function y equals f of x is this. Now, this is the notation. I don't require this exact notation for domain. X, what this means is, so here's your braces. So it would be d equals x such that, that's what this means, x is between -3 and 4 and including -3 and 4, while x is an element of all real numbers. So when you do domain for me, you do d equals, the funny brackets, you don't have to do this, and you don't really have to do this. I will assume it's xer, because for functions that's it. Okay, so for me, that's all I require. But you'll see this in the textbook, and maybe in university you have to write like this, I don't know. Anyways, so this is the domain, which means that this function, whatever it is, goes from -3 here to +4 over here. You got that?
Yes.
All right, now it shows you what some of the transformations are here. So you have to look at this transformed function and find out how this domain moves. The range doesn't matter. If it goes up or down, doesn't matter. So this is a range factor, right? Like that takes the whole graph down 1 unit, right? That doesn't affect the domain, so we won't worry about it.
But the +2 does.
The +2 does, that's right. So which direction does this go? The whole function goes to the left, right? To the left, to the left. Yeah, okay, some crazy dancing song. So if it goes 2 to the left, that means that this domain doesn't start at here anymore. It starts over here, which my program is going to crash on me. And over here. So does everyone see how this turns into this? So the domain is -5 to +2 now? Yeah. So domain equals -5. Whoa, hello, x. +2. So that's your answer. That's all I require. We'll assume it's xer.
Okay, and then one question I forgot to ask yesterday was for when you're doing like the transformations and you're given like y equals 1/4 f times 2/3 x plus 2, and I always thought you did the like the stretches and the reflections first, but on some of them it says that you have to do that and you do this, like you do that stretch and then you do the x plus 2 and then you do like the
other stretch?
The other stretch.
I'm not sure what you're thinking of there exactly, but generally you can just move from A to B, then to I guess it's H. H to K. Things are just disappearing on me. Now the only let's see, was there a problem with that one? Let's see.
Yeah, I'm just trying to, what question?
If you do like a vertical stretch first, let's say it goes like this.
It's on 4.3.
Okay, let's say I do something like that. And then if you do a horizontal stretch next, which goes way out like this, let's say. Right? Then if you move this left or right, I think you can just do it in order. I think you can just do it in order and then go up so that everything goes, you know what I mean? I think this is fine to do this way. I think you can do both stretches first.
Okay, yeah, because when like there was one, I'll try to find it. It was
if you did the vertical stretch and then the vertical translation, and then the horizontal stretch and then the horizontal translation, I think that would be fine too, I think.
Okay, it might be because it was mirrored. And then you like mirrored it, and then you did the one axis, and then you mirrored it again, and then you did the other stretch.
There might be a way that you'd make fewer mistakes in the order, but I think generally just kind of A, then B, then H, then K. I think that's okay just to sketch each. You can do this. Yeah, you can do the stretches and reflection as long as you at the same time. Like if A is a negative something, make sure you. Yeah, make sure you do the A and then the flip and then move to B. Yeah. I would say that's a good. All right.